Sawdust floor.
Yep.
We should dig that out down to the rock. And Mom, you say that there's a treasure buried in there? When did you bury it?
Carrie's wedding, 8 years ago.
Do you remember exactly where it's buried?
Yeah, on the left side.
Just one bottle?
No.
Oh,
If you find it,
more than one bottle.
party. It could be.
Where's the shovel? We're talking about, ladies and gentlemen, this corner. Right here. Whoever said rebuilding the ice house was a thankless task? I was digging it out, and look what I pulled out from the sawdust. From Lord knows how old they are. Ew, it looks kind of nasty. Who knows what the hell it is? The ice house is as old as the house, about 100 years or more. The back wall's rotted out at the bottom there. Dry rot because the roof was leaking, and also because the floor beams are resting on damp sawdust. So I dug her out, propped her up, put in some 6x6 framing around the bottom. There's the old wood stove. Dry storage. Now I'm going to put this tarp down. Then I put the joists in. Then we're going to put the plywood floor in.